Good morning. My name is Cameron. I'm CEO of Secure Payments. Secure Payments is a next-generation payment company who helps customers to make and accept payments anytime, anywhere. How do we do that? We have built over the last 10 years a payment platform, a robust payment platform, who process about 2.6 billion over this platform, and we have established the whole payment value chain. We are an issuer. We are issuing our own e-money and our wallet. We are processing and we are an acquirer. And we are combining all these capabilities to build new products. At the heart of our solution is the wallet. Wallet is at the heart of anything that we do, and we believe strongly in the future of wallet taking up. So what we're going to do, we're going to show you how this wallet is going to manifest itself in the different type of transactions. My colleague told me that the middle part of our presentation is going to be a little bit problematic, but we're going. It's working now. Yeah, good.
Great.
That makes life easier. And we are going to take you through the life of Chris and I. We are mechanicals and we are working at the garage and we are accepting payments from our customers. That's the first part. We are using our chip and pin MPOS solution. And then in the lunchtime, we're going to have a break and go for a coffee. And we are using NFC technology and our contactless technology connected to our wallet to go and do our purchase and have a coffee and have a break. And at the end of the day, we are going to use our wallet-to-wallet transfer technology to actually do the invoice management with our suppliers. So the first part is going to be...
Great. So as Cameron said, we are doing car services. We have a customer who's come in. We've provided them an oil change. However, this customer can only pay with a credit card. So it's not a problem. We have an application for this. So I'm going to launch our application, Kalixa Pro. We're going to log in with our credentials. Like I said, we are car service, so we have lots of products that we can provide, and oftentimes we do oil changes. So we have a list of products, oil change we're going to load our basket with. We're going to start the payment process. We have the option to choose between a wallet payment or a card payment. Just briefly, a wallet payment would allow us to do an NFC transaction if the user has a NFC device to make the payment with. However, for this presentation, they only have a card, as I said. So we'll do a card payment. Now, because of regulations, we have to provide a receipt for this transaction. So we are going to give them the option to receive this receipt via email or SMS. The customer has a phone ready, so he wants an SMS receipt. So now we're ready for the actual transaction. We're going to insert, as you see from this image, insert a dongle for the chip and pin reader. It connects to our audio device. Image changes. It's ready for the card to be entered. We're going to insert the chip and pin card into the device. The customer is going to be prompted to type in his PIN. We're going to type in the 4-digit PIN. Press OK. And our transaction is initiated immediately. Let me remove this so you can see clearly. So we have a successful transaction, as you see on the screen. It also tells you that the receipt has been sent. Now, because this is part of our wallet, we can immediately go back into our account, look at our statement, and see that a transaction has occurred for the amount that was booked for this oil change, 20 euros. Our balance has immediately been affected. And meanwhile, the customer has received his receipt. So this just got us an SMS from Kalixa showing the transaction information. So payment is done.
Perfect. So this was a chip and pin transactions going through all our systems. The system has acquired the transactions, put that on the wallet that we gave the merchant, and it was an instant settlement on that. It was simple and secure and cost efficient for the merchant. So now we've got the money. We want to go and have our break at a high street, a coffee shop next door.
Sure.
So let's go for a coffee.
Sure, let's get a coffee. Now, everybody's used to this type of transaction. You walk into the coffee shop, you order your coffee. They say, please put your card onto the NFC terminal, excuse me. So I've initiated our transaction. We're putting a live card onto this terminal. After a brief moment, we can see transaction is being authorized, and we have an approved transaction. So let's look at our statement real quick. You might have noticed it just dynamically updated the statement. Our card transfer has been loaded into our wallet. You might not see the amount from there, but 5 euros has immediately been deducted from our account. Transaction's done.
Perfect. That was an NFC transaction, and we used the wallet and the contactless card connected to that wallet to do that transaction and purchase on a high street merchant. Basically, I could have also used my watch, which is also a NFC watch, and it's connected to my wallet and use that watch to do that transaction. So now we've done the hard work, we've done the break, and we want to do now the invoice management and settlement of our invoices to our suppliers. And our suppliers have got also that wallet within our environment, and we're going to use that to send the transaction to.
Great. So as Kamran said, we're closing out our invoices for the end of the business day. And we happen to know our supplier for certain products happens to use also our Kalixa application. So we're going to create a transfer to this user's wallet. I'm going to use the transfer funds section. Here you have information that you have to provide. We've done it ahead of time for the demonstration. However, you have to provide the wallet ID unique to the individual who has a wallet. Some comments and an amount. We've done an amount of 100 euros. I'm going to begin this transaction. However, before we confirm the transaction, I want to show you the other user's wallet. So we're going to log in with the second user. You can see here we have a username and the user's actual name. Here you're going to log in with this user. We can look at their statement is 0 at the moment. We'll even look inside. Nothing. We're going to confirm this transaction. So now we're transferring money from one wallet to another wallet. Immediately, we have an adjusted balance on our wallet, so we've transferred 100 euros to our user. You might have seen dynamically their user's wallet has updated. We can look inside of their statement, see a wallet transfer of 100 euros, and it even gives you information from who it came from. So our transfer is done. Supplier's happy.
Perfect. So what you have seen over the last 5 minutes, 6 minutes, our capability to acquire transactions, have the issuance of the wallet, and make and accept payments and transfer payments. At the heart of all our solutions is the wallet, and it can manifest itself in the MPOS transaction. It can go into the NFC contactless transactions and in the transferring of those funds between the wallets to wallets. So all we do is at the heart of our living payment, and that's our passion. Thank you very much.
Thank you.